We tried using an Android phone to produce a professional voiceover for YouTube, and this happened. Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to record professional voiceovers for your video just like this. The most interesting thing is that here we are going to be using the Android phone. We don't need no special mic. If you have one, then well and good, but if you don't have, we are going to be using the Android mic just as I'm doing right now. So guys, we are going to use two free softwares just as it's free for you to like and subscribe to this channel. The benefits, you will get updates and more of the things that you'll read in the description. So guys, let's go on. All you need for the first step is just a mic. It can be your phone mic or any mic if you have anyone. So, first step, record your voiceover. Then, we are going to the second step.
After you open the app, you'll see an empty space. But as for me, you can see that I've been working on various projects. If you have already recorded your sound, you can tap browse or you can record using the mic on the screen. So you have to tap browse to find your sound, just like I'm going to do. Then you can locate your sound by either searching or looking through the folders. I found mine, so I'll tap on it. After you tap on it, it will open in the editor. So what we basically want to remove is the background noise. As you are going to listen, you will hear the background noise as we are recording. So now, all you have to do is tap the effects and look for the noise. This noise gate effect will remove the background noise. You can configure it any way you want by pressing the play button. You will be listening to the preview by that time. So there, you will configure it until it's good for you. After you finish configuring your sound by previewing it, then you will tap the tick sign on the screen. As you can see, those are my configurations. So after you tap render, you will really play the sound and listen to how it sounds. Listen to mine. So after that, you will have to export the sound. Open the file menu at the top corner and then tap export. Then tap track. You will be provided with an option to choose the file location and the file name. So you will tap the file name and you really tap the name that you want it to be saved with as you look for the folder. After you get that, you have to tap export, and as you can see, it's exporting your audio. Then be happy because your YouTube channel is going to grow with big amounts of subscribers. This voiceover will be as perfect as a voiceover recorded by the mic. So you can always preview your voiceovers at the home page where you saw my projects. That's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel as we provide you with the easiest hacks, tech news, smartphone comparisons, news, and many more. Stay tuned by turning on that notification bell. Let it ring so hard that even someone who is sitting near you can listen. Thank you for watching.